how to fix this error on Valorant easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here services, right click on it and click run as an administrator. And after that just scroll down until you find VGC. Right click on VGC and click properties. Now make sure it's stopped. If you find that you can click on stop, just click on it and make it here automatic and apply and OK. And after that go to device manager. Before that, just try to launch Valorant. If that doesn't fix your problem, go to device manager and then go to display adapters. Right click on your display drivers and then click update driver. Search automatically for drivers and also update network adapters and processors, and that's it. Now I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.